I know this is not new on the market, but I decided, what the hell, let's give it a try. It's Bull brand curried mince with vegetables. Yes, there is some soy in as well, but also some meat, so it's not for vegetarians. I'll heat it up and tell you what it tastes like. Okay, and this is what it looks like after it's been heated up. Heat it in the microwave for less than 2 minutes. It smells bloody nice. I know there's some soy in and vegetables and everything, but it's a quick and easy dinner, a lunch actually. So it's all in the taste, as I always say. So let's taste what it tastes like. This is really nice. It's exceptional. I rate it 8.4 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all, till next time.